What's up, TCG buffoons? Today is a very special day because we have hit 100 subscribers. 100 different people have subscribed to our channel to enjoy these videos.
Thank you.
It's been a long time coming, but today is no ordinary day. It is no ordinary day, my children. We have this. A base set pack with the Charizard. We think it's heavy, okay? We got this from TCA Gaming. We got it in a mystery box. And we don't know. We've weighed it and we've had scales tell us that it's 21 grams. Some tell us it's 20 grams. So we're just guessing that since it's close to 21, we've looked up videos.
We're hoping.
All of them that are close to 21 have been heavy. So we're hoping that this one's heavy. I'm nervous because obviously this is the oldest pack that you can open. And it's got the Charizard on it. We got the sleeve ready just in case. Top loader ready. Are you ready?
I'm not ready now.
Am I ready? I'm scared to open this.
How long have we had this?
We've had this for months.
Just sitting there?
Sitting in the little protective case. Wish us luck.
Here we go.
Oh. Okay.
We're committing. Oh no, please.
It's open.
Oh god, it's too late.
It's too late to turn back.
Is there a card trick?
I am not sure. And this thing is... I'm trying to be really gentle with these. I kind of effed up this whole pack. Sorry about that, guys.
Oh my god.
I should have opened it with scissors. Alright. I think it's 4.
Oh god, he's gonna mess it up.
I'm just gonna open it straight through.
No.
Alright. We have Switch.
Hey, we can use that one still.
Starmie.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Bulbasaur.
cool. I used to have that card.
Magnemite. Pidgey.
Oh, I love those.
Psychic. Okay. The rare is gonna be after this card.
Oh god. Do you wanna like just 2 and then, or do you wanna turn it around? Don't show us.
Kadabra.
Oh gosh.
Oh, I thought this was the rare.
Full heal.
Full heal.
Oh god. Oh god. What are you doing?
Jinx.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
This is it.
The rare's behind here.
This is it.
Alright.
Wait,
3.
No,
2.
no.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. Oh.
There was a Beedrill. Dang it!
We were lied to.
I knew we shouldn't have opened it. Well, this video never existed.
Thanks for watching this fake video.
And we will see ourselves later.